Hi all, welcome to another tutorial on Compendia blockchain from Validator ads. In this tutorial we're going to talk about voting, and why is it important. Looking at the Validator page of the Bind Explorer, binscan.io, we can see the number of votes across the 47 active validators differs wildly. So what is voting, and why is it important? For a validator to actively forge blocks, and thereby securing the Compendia network, they have to be in the top 47. To achieve this, they need votes from voters like you. Make sure you use your vote wisely and help Compendia blockchain grow. If you have enjoyed the video, then please like, share and subscribe to see more videos like this. And please don't forget to vote for Validator ads on Compendia blockchain.